Hello, my dear bachas, and welcome back. I know, your exams are just around the corner, and sometimes that chapter on division can feel a little tricky, right? But don't worry, after this, you are going to be a pro. Trust me.
Yeah, I can totally see it. You look at those long division problems, and your head starts spinning, especially in the exam hall when the clock is just tick-tock, tick-tock. It feels a bit scary, I get it, but hey, I promise you, there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
So, like I always say, fikar not. That means don't worry at all, because your teacher is here, and together, we are going to make this super easy. We'll learn some simple tricks, and it'll feel less like maths and more like a fun game. What do you say? Ready? Let's do this. All right, first up, division's best friend is multiplication. Let me tell you a little secret, the biggest secret about division, really. If you know your multiplication tables, your 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then guess what? You already know half of division. No, seriously, you're already halfway there to becoming a champion.
Now look at this. This shows you exactly what I mean. Think of them like a team. For every one multiplication fact, like 5 times 7 is 35, bam, you get 2 division facts for free. See, 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 35 divided by 7 is 5. They're just opposites, like looking in a mirror. So cool, right?
Okay, very quickly, let's meet the main characters in our division story. First, we have the dividend. That's the big number that we're going to split up. Then comes the divisor. That's the number you're dividing times by. And finally, the quotient. That's just a fancy schmancy word for the answer. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Got it? Good.
Okay, enough of all this theory. You know the best way to learn maths is to actually do it, right? So let's go on a little trip. We're heading to a coconut farm for an adventure, and we're going to solve some real-life problems.
And here we are. Welcome to Susie and Sunitha's beautiful coconut farm, all the way in lovely Kerala. Just look at all those tall coconut trees. Our friends Susie and Sunitha work here, and they've got some problems for us that will make division super clear.
Okay, problem time. Here's our first challenge from the farm. They sold 582 coconuts. Wow, that's a lot. And they were divided equally among 6 customers. So the big question is, how many coconuts did each customer get? Let's figure this out together.
Now, look at this. There are 2 ways to solve this. On the left, we have Susie's method. Now, it's not wrong, but look how long it is. She keeps subtracting 6 again and again. Phew! But on the right, look at Sunitha's method. She's working smart. She knows her tables, so she knows that 6 times 90 is 540. She just subtracts a huge chunk in one go. This is much faster, and it's how we want to solve problems in our exams to save time.
And there you have it. Using Sunitha's smart method, we get our answer, 97. Each customer gets 97 coconuts. Awesome job! Sabash, my champions, you did it. First problem solved.
Okay, but what about leftovers? You know when you share a chocolate bar and there's one piece left over? Well, that happens in division too. Not every number divides perfectly. So what do we call those leftovers? Let's find out.
All right, back to the coconut farm we go. Now they have 535 coconuts left, and they need to pack them into bags. Each bag holds exactly 25 coconuts. So the question is, how many full bags can they pack?
So let's do the math. When we divide 535 by 25, we find out they can make 21 full bags. But hold on a second, what about the leftover coconuts? After filling 21 bags, there are still some left that can't make a whole bag.
And those leftovers, my friends, have a special name. They are called the remainder. It's just the number that's left over after you've divided as much as you can. In our coconut problem, there were 10 coconuts left, so our remainder is 10. Easy peasy.
Okay, now pay close attention. This right here, this is the magic formula. This is your superpower to check if your answer is correct every single time. The dividend equals divisor times quotient plus the remainder. Or just remember n equals d times q plus r. Learn this by heart, bachas. It is your best friend in the exam hall, I'm telling you.
Okay, you've got the long method down. Now, let's learn a secret weapon for exams. Smart mental maths.
These are the tricks that will make you super fast, so you can solve problems in your head. Just like that.
Let me show you my favorite trick, the divide by 4 trick. It's called have twice. It's so simple. You take a number, let's say 128. Step 1, have it. Half of 128 is 64. Good. Step 2, have it again. Half of 64 is 32. And guess what? That's your answer. 128 divided by 4 is 32. See? No long division needed. Isn't that cool?
Okay, your turn. Time to be a mathematician. I want you to pause this and try it yourself. What is 144 divided by 4? Use the have twice trick. Go on, pause now. Okay, are you back? What did you get? Half of 144 is 72. And half of 72 is 36. Did you get 36? I knew you would. Brilliant.
See? What did I tell you? Division is not so scary after all, is it? You've learned the concepts, you solved real problems, and you even know some magic mental math tricks. You are so ready for your exams. Let's just do a quick, lightning-fast revision.
Okay, here are the main things to remember. Number 1, division and multiplication are best friends. Number 2, always work smart, not just hard. Use the faster method like Sunitha's. Number 3, that magic formula, n equals d times q plus r, is your best friend for checking your answers. And 4, use mental math tricks to save time. And finally, if you get stuck, just remember our trip to the coconut farm.
My dear students, you were absolutely fantastic today. Shabash! You are all division champions now. I want you to walk into that exam hall feeling confident and strong. And remember, no matter how big a problem looks, it's always just made of small, easy steps. You've got this. All the very, very best.